5 or 2, or blank. You need some help?
No. Well, might as well play the 2.
It's a 3.
Here's a double and a satisfier.
Okay, mother's got a 5, 3, and blank. Got to pick one out of the pile.
I hate that for you.
Okay, I'm still up.
Blank, 5 or 3.
What does she got?
Blank.
Blank.
A blank. That's no good. Well, I think I'll play the train.
I think I'll ask y'all to count your dominoes.
Oh my God!
Oh,
Was that quick?
we missed it. No, he didn't have Uno. He just had a double. That's right. He didn't have to say Uno.
I got a 0.
Yeah.